once taught us there are two ways through life. The way of nature and the way of grace. You have to choose which one you'll follow. Grace doesn't try to please itself. Accepts being slighted, forgotten, disliked. Accepts insults and injuries. Nature only wants to please itself.
Bless, O Lord, this
Get others to please it too.
your loving and faithful service.
Likes to lord it over them,
Bless these boys.
to have its own way. It finds reasons to be unhappy when all the world is shining around it. When love is smiling through all things. They taught us that no one who loves the way of grace ever comes to a bad end. I will be true to you, whatever comes.
I still remember watching the Tree of Life on the big screen. It was an experience like no other. I was just so mesmerized by every frame, like everyone is when they watch a Terrence Malick film. This is the movie that made me fall in love with cinema, with its beauty, and I love how it relates to our life itself. There are many things you can take away from the Tree of Life, many interpretations, many explanations. But for me, the most memorable thing about this movie was Jack's childhood. Life is a precious thing. When we are born, we see a new world around us. We cry, we want to talk, we want to ask questions. We are treated with love and affections. We are born to love. The film follows the life journey of Jack through the innocence of childhood to his disillusioned adult years as he tries to reconcile a complicated relationship with his father. Jack finds himself a lost soul in the modern world, seeking answers to the origins and meaning of life while questioning the existence of faith. One scene that shows the contrasting images between mother and father as well as the nature and the grace is how they both wake their children up. We see mother waking them up with a mischievous way, putting ice, bringing the joy of happiness and love. On the other part, we see father coming in, just taking away the blankets, ordering to wake up as the day starts with a negative feeling. Jack's relationship with his father is a constant battle. Like in this scene, for example, we see father telling him to address him as sir, showing his authority as a cold silence flows around the family with their head down. Next scene shows how father has to ask Jack if he loves his father, a scene of punishment. But father also teaches Jack about life, how he shouldn't be the way he is. Don't do it like he did. And this quote is just
Wrong people go hungry, die. Wrong people get loved. The world lives by trickery. You want to succeed, you can't be too good.
I love this sequence when the boys realize that their father has gone away for work, and as soon as they know it, there is a sense of freedom among themselves. They embrace it.
of light. Forgive.
But there is one scene that puts the already distant relationship over the line between Mr. O'Brien and his children. That causes the feeling of hatred when he gets a bit violent and physical with them.
Leave him alone!
Come here! Get back. Come here! Get out there!
Please, God, kill him. Let him die.
Jack's hatred towards his father, the world around him, that is uncontrollable, nature's way of getting to him.
Only loves me!
He even lashes out at his mother for being weak and letting his father get away with things. This leads Jack to a rebellion phase where he vandalizes, steals, and succumbs to the way of nature. The moment comes for Jack when he himself crosses the line, accidentally ends up shooting his brother's finger. He feels truly sorry and his brother forgives him for it. And this gesture of forgiveness brings him down, leaning back towards the way of grace. Help each other, love everyone, every leaf, every ray of light, forgive.
I wanted to be loved because I was great.
He also witnesses his father's downfall, professionally and personally too,
I'm nothing.
as he confronts his wrongdoing towards him and his family.
Look, the glory around us. Trees and birds. I lived in shame. I dishonored it all and didn't notice the glory. A foolish man.
Jack also realizes the way of nature and the way of grace is a constant battle, a wrestling match happening inside your soul. You can easily submit to the way of nature, but it is not the way to live your life. As Jack takes his step towards his new chapter in life, he remembers his mother's saying,
The only way to be happy is to love. Unless you love, your life will flash by, too good to them. Wonder. Hope.
Mother is the one person we are so close to. She is our world. She is our everything. She is the one person we love the most in the entire world. And she loves us more than anything we can ever imagine, whatever the circumstance. She teaches us the way of grace, the right path and the wrong, what to do, how to behave. We listen to her. Whenever we feel sad, we go to her, we cry. She holds us, hugs us tightly. And when she does that, the entire world seems so small. That feeling, it is love, the way of grace. But we also observe our Father. We make him our role model. We want to do what he does. We want to wear what he wears. The way he handles himself. We want to defy the rules. We want to discover new things. Father installs a discipline. He teaches us the value of society, how it all works. But sometimes we don't agree with him. We want our freedom. We want our space. We want our own mark. We are different with our father than what we are with our mother. We have a different relationship with them, like a struggle. It is like a love-hate relationship. We grow up, we don't like what our parents tell us. We have siblings. It is different with them. We tell them everything. We have our own secrets, our findings, everything. We have a special bond with them. We connect, we trust, we play, we fight. But at the end, we are there for each other. We forgive. Life is different. It is something we are always amazed to see. How it was formed, how we are formed, how the nature sustains animals, the glory, trees, birds, light, and God. Everything around us changes. We change. For better or worse, we learn things. We teach things. The tree of life shows us that the loss, the bond of children, the love of a mother, the glory of a father, the downfall, life, its formation, every feather, every ray, love.